So we stopped the B tree with the this stage. So here we have one more case exists in which we need to delete an element from the internal node. So here we are going to remove 45 and we are going to merge it with the sibling. So before that we need to see the previous deletion in which we deleted the 28. So when we deleted the element 28, what we done is that we merge it with the sibling and plus the parent node. So we merge it with the parent node and form it as the left node of 45. So we connected these two and with the parent. So here parent and right child are same, and we connected to the 45. The same process we are going to do here. So when we removed 45, so what will be the tree? So this is the 45. We know that the parent also connect 45. Firstly we remove from the data part. So we removed that 45 from that node. So here we know that it is empty, it is less than minimum number of key, and 31. So here we can say it is equal to minimum number of keys. So when we delete it becomes the less than minimum number of keys. So there is no value to taken from 31, the node which contain 31. So we merge the left, right and 45. So it is the thing is we move the element 31 to the right sibling. But there is a case when we values then in data child, right child. So here we can see the pair contain 45. So the parent always the value of the parent should be the minimum value of the right subtree. So 45 is removed, so the minimum value in the right subtree is 31. So we deleted 45 then, and now we place 31 as the parent node. So we know that always the parent value will be the minimum value of the right subtree. So we moved 31 to the right, okay, and now it becomes the minimum value in the right subtree. So we place 31 instead of 45. Now we have a problem here. Now we can see that the left subtree is empty. That's in this case it is less than the minimum number of tree. So we can't take do the same procedure. We can't take from the sibling, that is right sibling, this contain 31. So okay, then we can't swap it with 31. So because already we done the same process, we taken 31 to the right subtree. So in this case we need to take the value from the another sibling. So here there is no direct sibling, but there is a sibling which is near to that empty node 2022. So we need to merge 2022 with this node, this empty node. We need to merge these two nodes. But there is some procedure to move a node in between these three. So here they are not direct sibling, they are actually indirect sibling. So in this case, if we directly move 20 and 22 to the right, that is to the empty node, we can see that 31 is in the parent node. Okay, its root node value is 31. So we know that if we move 20 and 22 to the right, it becomes the right subtree of 31. But it is against the rule. 20 and 22 is less than 31. It should be in left subtree. So if you place 20 and 22 without doing anything, then it will be against our rule. The 20 and 22 become the right of 31, the root node. So it is against the rule. So in that case we need to change the particular value which is against. So if we move 20 and 22 to a one step, or the second sibling, we can say like that, second cousin, like we can say the second sibling, then we need to replace the parent of that particular node, as here it is 31 to the minimum value of the node we currently moved. So minimum value of the node that we currently moved is 20. So we place it as the root node. Here it is in the root node.